We also have some eyewitnesses with us who were at that time present at the Jan Sunwai that was in fact taking place inside the residence. Sir, आपका नाम क्या है?
शैलेंद्र कुमार नाम है मेरा।
जिस समय ये जन सुनवाई हो रही थी, क्या आप अंदर
गेट पे थे।
क्या कुछ देखा आपने उसमें?
वो जेंट्स अंदर गए थे, नंबर लगा हुआ था, उसी से पर्ची के हिसाब से लोग जा रहे थे। ये पर्ची मेरा है, सीवर का कंप्लेंट मैंने करने आया था, तो इसी अंदर से भगदड़ मच गया कि थप्पड़ सीएम रेखा गुप्ता को मार दिए। उसमें पुलिस वाले फिर सबको भगाने लगे गेट के बाहर, सबके साइड पे मीडिया और आ गए, उसको हॉस्पिटल ले गए। वो हॉस्पिटल में भर्ती हैं, वो गिर गए थे।
आप भी उस वक्त वहीं थे?
हाँ, हम अंदर ही थे उस समय। हम श्री हंसमुख मेरा नाम है, श्री दशरथ रामला कमेटी से उनको इनविटेशन और एक मैसेज लेने आए थे। लेकिन जैसे ही हम आगे वहाँ खड़े थे, हमारा नंबर आने, मैम बाहर आई और जैसे ही एक वो युवक था, लगभग 24-25 साल का होगा, उसने एकदम मैडम को थप्पड़ मारा और फिर उसके बाद बाल पकड़े जब तक मैडम गिर गई।
तो मतलब ये कोई मेल थे?
हाँ, कोई मेल थे। हाँ, लेकिन ये गलत हुआ, ऐसा कभी होना नहीं चाहिए।
ऐसा जब भी हम आते थे मैडम शांतिपूर्वक मिलती थी और सबका काम करती थी जो होने वाला था। ये जिसने किया है वो गलत किया है, पब्लिक का नुकसान किया है उसने। मैं तो यही कहता हूँ।
So we are seeing that the security has been in fact beefed up outside the residence of the Chief Minister. We are seeing that heavy police deployment can be seen here at the moment. The special police commissioner, the special CP and the police commissioner of Delhi is in fact also right now at this particular spots. The security is in fact right now being monitored at every levels. We are seeing that this was a regular Jan Sunwai that happens at the residence of Delhi Chief Minister, where several of the people from Delhi come to this place and on a regular basis they talk to the Chief Minister regarding their issues at the constituencies, and this is a time when Chief Minister Rekha Gupta was in fact addressing all those issues, and during this incident took place. Now what the eyewitnesses have said is that it was a 35-year-old male who was in fact quite drunk when he came here, and after this incident took place, he's in fact also believed to say that he was here with some documents. He was trying to talk to the Chief Minister, and after which this incident took place where he tried to attack the Chief Minister. It was quite a scare, the security scare that can be seen at the residence of the Chief Minister while the Jan Sunwai was happening. Not just that, we are showing you right now the security arrangements just outside the residence of the Chief Minister. Several of the Delhi police officials can be seen here, barricading the whole area. Not just that, we are also learning that the Chief Minister is right now rushed to the hospital. While she seems to be okay, it is certainly a big question at the security and law enforcement here as to what arrangements were kept in place so that nobody can come here and create this kind of a ruckus and try to harm the Chief Minister. But yes, we are seeing that all the precautions are being taken right now. Over to you.
Of course, so we, from initial details that are emerging at this point in time, what we're hearing from our sources is that he'd come in with those papers. He started to yell at her. He was accusing her of something before he started to attack her. And like Anushka, you're saying that he perhaps wasn't in his right senses because allegedly he said to be in a condition that he was under the influence of alcohol. Take us through, of course, now we also have Atishi of the opposition of the Aam Aadmi Party really condemning this attack. Now, it is Atishi of the opposition of the Aam Aadmi Party completely condemning this attack and is, hoping for the welfare and the well-being of the Chief Minister. Anushka, get us details of how is the Aam Aadmi Party, the opposition, really reacting? And this is an area that everyone's very familiar with because this is the area where earlier Arvind Kejriwal was staying. This was the Chief Minister's residence. Take us through the details of, this particular area. It's considered very, very safe to begin with. This man has come inside, posed to be someone who has an issue with, some sort of issue as far as the national capital is concerned. He's come to the Chief Minister to talk about that issue, ends up attacking her, and of course has been detained. What kind of details do we have besides the fact that he was 35 years of age?
That's right, Divya. This is quite a high-profile area where the security is always, tightened up. But we are also seeing that right now, after this incident has taken place, we are seeing the Delhi police manning every nook and corner of the civil line area. This incident took place during a Jan Sunwai event that was happening. We also have eyewitnesses with us. सर, जिस तरीके से देखा जा रहा है, बहुत सारे eyewitnesses ऐसा बता रहे हैं कि जिस इंसान ने रेखा गुप्ता के ऊपर अटैक किया, वो अपने होशो हवास में नहीं थे.
नहीं, वो गिर गए थे ना, टेबल से गिर गए थे रेखा गुप्ता जी। फिर उनको हॉस्पिटल ले जाया गया, फिर हॉस्पिटल में वो इलाज चल रहा है, चेकअप हो रहा है अभी। हाँ जी।
आप यहाँ पर उस वक्त इसी जन सुनवाई में शामिल होने आए?
गेट पे आए थे। हमारा ये था सीवर का कंप्लेंट, उत्तम नगर से आए थे हम।
तो आप लोग रेगुलरली आते रहते हैं यहाँ पे?
हाँ जी, बराबर आते हैं।
So this was a regular event at the house of the Delhi, Chief Minister Rekha Gupta, where several of the people used to come here with their grievances, and she used to listen to them. We also had
मैम, दिल्ली की सीएम रेखा गुप्ता पर ये जो हमला हुआ है, आप उस दौरान मौजूद थी? कल आप उस दौरान मौजूद थी? जी।
So we are seeing that several of the officials were present here at the moment when the incident took place. All of them were here to, in fact, talk to the Chief Minister about the issues on the respective constituencies. And while this event was happening, the Jan Sunwai was happening, the few people were in fact inside the residence. They tried to talk to the Chief Minister. They had some documents. The 35-year-old man had a document in his hand. He started yelling at the Chief Minister and tried to attack her, is what the BJP leaders are in fact also saying. They have also said that as of now the Chief Minister is fine. She seems to be okay. She was rushed to the hospital after the security scare that took place inside her residence, her official residence, while she was doing and addressing a Jan Sunwai, where several of the people participate and come here on a regular on regular basis, and they talk to the Chief Minister about the issues that are in fact prevalent in their constituencies. And at that time, a 35-year-old man. Now the eyewitnesses are saying that he was quite drunk. He was not in his senses. He had some documents in his hands, and he started yelling at the Chief Minister. After which he tried to attack her. What the BJP leaders have said is that.
Anushka, this is also being seen as a major lapse when it comes to the Delhi police.
That's right. This is seen as a major security lapse because we are talking about the Delhi Chief Minister, and this has happened at the official residence of the Chief Minister while she was addressing a public grievance session. She was in fact also surrounded by a lot of people who are coming from different constituencies. But right now we are seeing the Delhi police is right now maintaining tightening up the security at this particular place. We are showing you the visuals outside the residence of the Delhi Chief Minister while she is being rushed to the hospital. The officials have also said that she is she seems to be fine as of yet, but we're also seeing the kind of security arrangements that are taking place at outside her residence. Now this is a major lapse at the part of Delhi police. Now there is a big question as to what the police officials were doing when this incident happened, when the 35-year-old man tried to attack the Chief Minister while he was drunk, and in his state he was allowed near the Chief Minister. He tried to yell at her. Not just that, he was also with some documents in his hand. He tried to in fact confront her as to what the issues were inside his areas, inside his constituency, and this incident took place where this is seen as a major security threat, security breach, where some individual in fact who was drunk, who was not in his senses, came inside the residence of the Chief Minister and tried to attack her. Over to you.